Right, so in this video I'm going to explain how to run a diagnostic on your iRobot Roomba. This works for the 500 series and the 600 series. I'm not too sure about the other series. It might work. It might work with all Roombas. Basically what you do is you hold spot and clean and press spot either 3 or 6 times. You can do 3 for the auto advanced and 6 for the manual advanced. We're going to do the auto advanced. And you can see it's doing a display test. So to advance to the first test, you press dock, and this test is the buttons on the panel. So basically you just press that, and then you can see the different spot and dock lighting up for every button you press. And now we're on test 2. This is the bumper, so you may notice the clean goes green when the test is when it's passed. I think now it's the cliff sensors. So if I just lift it up, front cliff sensors. Now it's the light touch bumper sensors. See if I can get to. There we go. Now it's the wheel drop sensors. Now it's the infrared test. So we're going to need a home base for this. Put it in range of the home base. You can see spots lit up. Now you can see both the lights are flickering, which means that now 2 tests just went by. The first test was the battery test, so it passed straight through that. Now the test that's running now is the wheel stall test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stall this wheel. So bear with me a moment. Hear that noise? Now it's the right wheel, I think. Yeah, right wheel. Now we do this one. That was the wheel encoders, and that passed. Now is the front caster. So what we're going to do, we're going to spin that. Now it's the brush stall test. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stall the brushes. Now it's the dirt detector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little pen, and I'm going to stick it inside the dirt tank and see if I can trigger it. That worked. Now it's testing the vacuum. Now it's doing the side brush. So we just okay. It's tested all the motors. So now all the motors are working fine. So now it's going to be testing the charging port. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move that and then insert this in there. Now it's testing all the charging circuitry. Okay, now we can just put that back on, put plug that back in the dock, and now it's going to test the docking contacts and the software as well. You can see it's running through all the software tests. Now in theory, we should get green flashing light because all the tests that we've done have passed. There you go, you see the clean light flashing. Now usually you'd have to reset it when it's failed, but because it's passed, you don't have to reset it, so you just hold that down and it should work fine. And that is how you run a diagnostic on your iRobot Roomba. See you in the next video.